far that I got the engine on. Right here, sprocket driven, baby. Clearance for the chain comes straight through right here, down at an angle, straight onto any one of these that I want. Perfect. And if I need to adjust, if the motor needs to go in or out, I just turn the seat. No problem. Had to put a bend in there. I made it work though. A lot of people told me I couldn't do it. Look at me now. That's my gas tank. That's killing it. Today with the mini bike testing, I made this. This is my gas cap. I'm using a wine bottle for my gas tank, so I'm going to put some JB Weld around this bad boy, seal off any leak, and then so I have gas tank pressure. It'll push the gas into the carburetor on the chainsaw engine, and then my bike will be fully functional. Well, other than I got to get 2 tubes, 2 tires, I got 2 rims. The rims that I had put on it, the bearings went out in it in the first test, so the second test wasn't too safe either, but it was rolling. I rolled 125 feet, but let me get back to making this shit. I did a lot of welding, a lot of modifying, it was crazy. It was more than I should have did, but it's going to pay off. I'll show you guys. For about 2 days of construction, this is what she looks like. Yeah, with the sickness. Just painted her today. And the name of my bike will be White Girl. Custom gas tank. Yeah, and then I made this cap. JB Weld's almost dry, so it's almost ready to ride. But yeah, there it is. Yeah, against all odds. This is a budget build fully. And if you look closer, you'll see why, but I don't want to show you guys. It's the shit though, it looks cool. Big old long horde fucking ape hangers on there. Yeah, all I need to do is just run my throttle cable from here out here, make a little deal right here, follow it down here, all the way up here, and put it right there. But other than that, that's what she looks like. Yeah. Got some skill behind my hands. All this shit right here is custom. All this stuff has been welded, painted. This was the hardest thing to make. You know what this was? This is a handlebar to another bike. So is that piece, and this piece was just a piece of steel I had laying around. But this bike was all built out of scraps. You know, I had some leftover white paint, so I decided why not. This side's gonna be the throttle cable, well, brake or something. And this, see, this is a solid tube, like rubber, straight rubber. but I had to use 40-pound tests to wrap around all the way around the rim. But it holds good, rolls great. So other than that, white Camaro over there. So yeah, she looks good though. There you go, Richmond Custom right there. Baddest bike you'll ever see in Arizona. I guarantee you that. Especially made out of just junk parts. Nothing on this bike was ordered. Chainsaw was a piece of shit. All I had to do was fix it up, and this bike frame was just laying around, so I just picked it up and used my creativity. And those handlebars, they weren't going to be like that. They were going to be straight. But I found those, and I was like, oh shit, might as well put them on because they look tight. Now tomorrow, connect the throttle cable, work on perfecting the gas getting into the carburetor a little better. I don't know. Tomorrow I'll be able to flip that bottle upside down, so it'll be alright. There goes all the dogs chasing a coyote. Alright, YouTubers, well, let me know what you think about this build. Took me 2 days. It's going to take me 3 days because tomorrow I'll film a little bit more. I'll take some more pictures for you guys, but in the meantime, gotta let the JB Weld do its thing and set overnight. Add some more 2-cycle and go for a ride tomorrow. Show you guys how it goes. Peace.